Alright guys, we're back at it again. Gonna do a passenger side seat install today. Get you guys set up with a nice view. That should be good. Alright, I'm gonna go get the bracket installed in the seat. I'll be right back. Alright. Passenger seat's all good. We're gonna get the interior cleaned up a little here, because as you can see, we are a little dirty. Tidy this up, get the seat installed, and we'll be all good. Driver's seat is looking fresh. ARP 12 points, motherfuckers. take a better look. Shout out to Corbeau. Corbeau Seats USA, always hooking it up. This is my third set of seats from them. I can't speak today. A really nice fit and finish. Need to get a harness bar now so I can throw some harnesses in this car. Suede shift boots on the way for matching suediness. Might do a couple things with the interior as well, but nothing crazy. Still going to be a daily driver. LMGT4s. Also, buy real wheels, guys. Don't support these bullshit companies. Cool. Well, that's all. Sad car. Cool pile. Alright guys, so seats are in. They feel great. They look great. Shout out to Corbeau USA. They definitely hooked it up on this one. Got the shipping to me in like 3 days after I ordered it. It was perfect. I know I'm severely overdressed for this video. I'm about to head to work. Give my team a follow. We're teamoutcast_LV. That's our Instagram name. You'll see it on the bottom of the video here. Aside from that, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more. There's going to be a lot of stuff going on this year.